Yay Enginkelap radio program number EU line reaction. Enginkelap yay meban personet tatok and main Kapnarit P. Holiver Posabiskan and government on tron way and poita. Child katin mangi me aiso me pungpanan kupur o minimin kibana puko tatong kan kin wiyawi a poitan tatok kin mia. Area iban padalang nanay tungal program and kabasya iyang o kasalelia maingko. Mo na iban patroyang nan sabol matay program ang Enginkelap program number EU line reaction o pwede program mo aban kabulbulway nilang o pwede bon payment ay tungal kay po ni pan kubran kalapoko eroksoko and bon pay u wawlap pan kubran isonan kan ko waw nikilikan ko nanalang ko nangkaniye ko ay tungal wow toror ang kabna kariyawan kabna o ton amatungal cabinet speaker and legislature katuapa o yangamoy ton ko speaker and legislature kaisyak o yangamoy ton ko kusonat kan sound kopung labalab en molen kopung labalaben Pompey o yangamu sound kopung kan kay kitaikan nan palien tiap momotso o nantaken government silu o utak ultak en Pompey yunsak sang pengelap patotito ni kalap en Pompey o patotila lel kapingamarami. Enginkelap yay sabolman pon pay radio program eu me uyawita puen sakasakara kiton pon pay ira oralap kasambalkan me uyawi tamakmagit nan option kapna o ngay Heinrich Stevenson nan pen kap onolang me apali option public affairs nan option kapna me ban pakita autapan radio program and ranwat. Ira kayo ni senwari isak silu riyakit riyasak Governor Reed Permin Oliver o Lieutenant Governor Feliciano M. Berman aletier kaula and puko o administration kap chapter magmagitway puen apali pukokan mesansal paniralaw tisu irajikitik eu lelwalu meyei pukon apali pararan pai o mauran sap pukon apali kairta apali school apali roson mau patapat o maur tarapan Waipokon, kasabulan manaman, o pukon kairata koyok and John toto. Irakariyaw, Governor B. Oliver, aletier iran kairio me parliament, the government and Marshall Islands. Wiayer a pasonsapalan opsirkan o yet poita memia. The Honorable David Kabwa, Meale the President, the Honorable Kenneth Keddy, Meale the Speaker, o Honorable Peterson G. Bass, Meale the Vice Speaker. Hirakasilu, Governor Reed P. Oliver, Lieutenant Governor Berman, o overall committee and inauguration and pariyakit riyasak wiya aray tungal kaping mulatak ong business office te puinkan te aramas sudalibilibil Meshabiski kubur mau o sawaski jatan moni ong ni kaunop en totongkan ong ni sarawi o kaula en Governor Reed Permin Oliver, Lieutenant Governor M. Belsiano Hemperman o Tone Legislature Kaisak. Ariet atakan. Pan Platinum Marcella Foundation, FSM Telecom, Namiki Enterprise, PUC, Pan Coal, PBA, NFC, Luendai or FSM Petrol Corporation. Pan Silver, CFC, by Speaker Esmond Moses or Matson Shipping. Pan Bronze, China Embassy, FSM Development Bank, Black Sand, Bank of Guam, Octoka Insurance, Bank of FSM, Pacific Island Development Bank, XIX, ASC, Moyland Insurance, 7 Star Inn and Riverside, Car Care Center, Messenian Credit Union, Casalelia Diner, Genesis, 7 Star Enterprises, Paul T.Y. and Flamingo, Med Farm, Bombay, Saki, Nico, Australia, Say Restaurant, Jersey Letward, Tessa, Ventura Rodriguez, H&E Car Rental, Ricky Candero, United Airlines, Micronesian Production, Congressman Perman, CNJ, O Casalelia Dental Clinic. Ira Caballo, Niara Senwari Isak Payo, Riagit Riasak, Kabina Oliver, Kasamo Kabina o Speaker and Wayne Kusai, the state and Kusai, Me Para Kabina o Wia Arakaping and Payamao, Poike Poita Memia, Nantubanawat, Irail Kati, Anan and Minimin Pena, Ong Ira Anan kan me state kan koros tungolenki. Pil Ira me pit wasa, me pon pe patawan Ong Wayne Kusai, Ansaukis me samalar, Puen Wia Arail Tungol Office, Poren Kakawata Arail Tungol Office Lola. Ira Kalimau, Niesil Senwari Isak Limau Riagit Riasak. Governor Oliver or Speaker Lambert meeting young William and Opposition Insular Affairs, OIA, or U.S. Embassy, Ki Iramapit, Mokmokit and Sabelman Bombay Budget, or Project Labakan, Wewapana and Kinmia, Pogitail and Katla Motail, on Totoklap and Wagan. Tono Biswat Makin Pukoki FSM, Mayangaki Bombay State, on nan Balian Money, nan government in America. Ranwood Kabina Oliver Bill 2 Port of Governors and Pacific Island Development Bank, we are meeting nan and Kabina Wasan meeting, Banquet me bon be young, we are member kin Patawanta loan on Tron Wagan, me towe, Banquet, men bon be Kai Pil Yanger Aledi, Arai Tungol loan, and business sang banquet. Bil ranwat kapna bil kasamo Mr. Pilarmin Ioannis, Mwana kapon Pompeyman, Meyang Uyatotok, nan Operation United Nation Melen nan Palio me Atanki UNDP. The United Nations Development Program ni komot UNDP. Kapna patawan pagi, mamia alans Sawaza Sirin School kan on scholarship in turn. Akabasa and Ginmia, nan pungan Bombay, government in Bombay, o Bali me e patawan uyata talk lale. Mr. Ioannis patawan on kapname e ban song talk tame e kaksawas. Ira kawano Niesin Wariesha Klimau Riagatriesha Kabna Olber Signer Delegation of Authority Guitar Manaman and we are acting on Kambakan immediate Kambakan or agency kan Nintuamet. Mrs. Lelania Chano acting on Bombay State Housing Authority. Dr. Marcel Gallen, acting on Kemba and Rosenmau. Mr. Wallet Elias, acting on Kemba and Saab. Mr. J.C. Henry, acting on Pohnpei Transportation Authority. Mr. Patrick Carroll, acting on Kemba and Apali Onabak or Malaylayan Way. Mr. Mark Kostika, acting on Kemba and Bayan Way, R&D. Mr. Henry Norman, acting on Kemba and Moni, or Apalpan Trontatok or Tipson Government Kan. Mr. Ricky Laban, acting on Operation Men Paydite, or Project and Way, TNI. Mr. Arwelson, acting on Kemba and Camarine. Mr. Chudachani, acting on Operation Attorney General. Mrs. Memory Road, acting on Operation Fisheries and Aquaculture. Mrs. Alberina Tondre, acting on Operation Issues. Irakaishu, Niarasen Wariesha Keuriagatriesha. Operation Kapna Aleti Kair, Sang Operation Tourism, Me Pato Pan Kemba and Pai and Way R&D, Me Cruise Liner, the shopping Wa Israel Son Momoit Kan, Me Atanki Crystal Symphony, Pan Peti on Pohnpei, Niesil, Man Wat, Senwara Riesha Tuau Riesha. Riagit Riesha. Opan what sound mamait Walibuki Perk Waliman or Met Tontatak Pon Shop Limapuki Perk Liman. So important pan pepe likin capital poegimel labala melen sutogap the longnan capital. Me ban tauti pon sharp into one robot mesansal me shipukilmak. Yang aki contoh token ponsho ponangin ebuki. Akai ban parak nan matul o kaproi, akai ban parak botanical garden, German cemetery, Spanish wall o Catholic bell tower o wasatikan makarani colonia. Market in Lebanon show, pan santini office and tourism. O ye wasat me Israel me banat ki Israel tipshogan pan santia. Shopping momoit wat pan peiti kulok tuaw ni mention o maselta kulok limao ni sauti. Koros pan puralang pon shop kulok payo ni sauti. Option tourism pan patawanta map on wasakan, mapin wasakan nan kolonia o wasakan makarani office wat pil yang taxi me tungalen ki business in taxi kan o business and kamamaiti tourist kan ban mau melel ktail me ban service yang irail tourist pugat ktailen peran yang rail o melel yang rail puen uya intabatai o kakara yang arail kapingo ktail o ban kakata renkare to son mamai me ban kak parang ktail ansau yo mo ira kawalu o kainsaklan ira niare senwari isap payo riagit riasap kabna olber kasamo committee toror and siliman me speaker and legislature kaisap itiata poran parak kabna o kapasa me legislature patawan sandir o pan tialanger nana meeting kabna uya tungal kaping en payamau on ton legislature kaisap o bilwuya atungol kaping poeki eu panao minimin me sansal nan mui me uya ki lieutenant governor o paki eu panao minimin panawat me miayer en ebuslata kabna kasalayang committee en siliman me ansau karan aban patawan taula o sair ira kasampal en weigan so bishop me laut answer what etoke katrapan kosanapan wei aban kakasang naneu mei ong nan mei kap kabnaol per kosayame mia komomatan kosonnet kainan Moin Kabina Peterson me kasampal me mineral solar poegi kosonti en legislature me aban ansaukis eukiyang legislature poren kak porang tak o apaliata Kabina Oliver pilkabasa on committee toror en siliman anan yo me atungol office kabasa yang legislature kaisak en aleta me pit karairailan anso me budget and way en kaptalongong budget and way ong nan par riakit riasakeo en kaptalongong nan legislature poyaki palongolongatan puko me laut nan songpong en January Met kan sakalar Enginkelap radio program number line riasap mamia sabul mamu iran kainama te amu tungal iran kalalabak a komkak kadin malbe te patrawan ekar telephone number 320-2570 te malbe te ekar telephone and office kan makin bukoki eu ira oralapkan me sansaler nan program kombiliang ya nan eu songon program mod me ban uyawi mur kalangan o kasalelia man